This is a game changer for me. So that's what this is. This hauls and consolidates your basic everyday skid steer attachment. So it fits 2 buckets, it fits an auger drive, 3 augers. You can put shovels, rakes, chains, your forks, and you can move it with any of those. So I can pick this up with my bucket, I can pick it up with the forks, I can set it on a trailer, I can move it into my shop and consolidate all these tools in one space. So I'm pretty pumped up about it. We haven't had it that long, but I can tell you, just loading everything on there, I think it's gonna work out great.